Question 21. The table shows data for atoms or ions of the elements P, Q, R, and S. The letters do not represent the chemical symbols of the element. Which statement is correct? We know that for atoms, the proton number is going to be equivalent to the electron number. So from the table, we can straight away see that Q and S are going to be atoms. And using these values given, from the periodic table, the element that has 13 protons is aluminium, and the element that has 18 protons is argon. For P, the initial number of electrons is 11, because the number should be the same as the number of protons, but it has only 10 electrons now, which means it has given away 1 electron. This makes P a cation with a +1 charge, and the element that has 11 protons is sodium. For R, it has 17 protons and 18 electrons. So from 17 electrons originally, it has gained 1 electron to get a total of 18 electrons now. So R is actually an R minus ion, and the element that has 17 protons is chlorine. So by identifying the elements, we can then go on and find the correct answer. A states that P and Q are non-metallic. Sodium and aluminium are metals. Therefore, A is wrong. P and R react to form an ionic compound. So P is sodium, in this case it's the sodium ion, and R is chlorine, specifically the chloride ion. So indeed, sodium and chlorine can form an ionic compound of sodium chloride, and the ionic bond is formed from the transfer of 1 electron from sodium to chlorine. Therefore, option B is correct. C states that Q and S are unreactive. Q is aluminium, while S is argon. Argon is a noble gas and it will be unreactive, but Q is a reactive metal. It's incorrect to say that aluminium is unreactive. Aluminium does form compounds like aluminium chloride, which is an ionic compound, as well as aluminium oxide. Therefore, aluminium is reactive, and option C is wrong. R and S would be in the same group of the periodic table. R is chlorine, while S is argon. R is going to be found in group 7, while S is going to be found in group 8. Therefore, D is wrong, leaving us with B as the correct answer.